Hey guys, what is your favorite Scratch extension? Maybe Pen? And what is mine? Write in the comments before I get started. What is your favorite Scratch extension? And what is mine? How do you think? Write in the comments before I start. So I start. My favorite Scratch extension is Pen. I guess it's also your favorite Scratch extension because it is very useful and you can create many quick games with it. So today we are creating a fun platformer in Scratch. Let's get started. So what do we do first? Okay, so what do we do first? What we do first is we create our sprite called Pen. Pen games are usually only one sprite, and I always do them with only one sprite. Okay, so call the sprite and its custom pen, and we add the pen extension. When flag clicked, we can broadcast a new message like start. Though pen games are easy to make, you just have to know how to use the pen extension, and that will be easy. I mean, you need just to know how to do everything. Like, so what do we start off with? First we pen up and then erase all, not to make a single dot after we erased all the other ones. Now we put a forever loop, so our game updates every frame. But then I recommend doing this, putting the pen up and erasing all every frame. And then we start drawing. Our game is a platformer, so I want it to be with scrolling. But first we create two new variables, player x and player y. Remember, this isn't the player sprite, so we need to name all the variables, not to forget which one is what for. Okay, so also let's make the scroll x and the scroll y variables for our scrolling. How do we draw our player? We create a new block called player. I just called player because here we will have two custom blocks called draw player and another physics custom block which will make in the second part, because first we will have to make the platforms. Okay, so in the draw player sprite we need to, so we go to a position 0 and 0, but this position is wrong. So what do we do? How to draw player? Where do we draw it? The position of the player on our screen needs to be the x is player x minus scroll x, and the y player y minus scroll y. So put this here. Then this to be simple. This our player sprite. Let's make it square with no fill. So change x by -20 and y by -20. 20 is the size of our player sprite. But let's make a new variable called player size. We can make it full sprite. We won't have another sprite, maybe the music sprite, but well, we can make it in this sprite too. In the beginning, we set player size to 40. This is a nice size. So change x by player x, player size, times -2. And the same goes for y. Then set our pen color to like red. This will be the color of our play sprite. Okay. And we set pen size to like 10. And we pen down. Change X by place size. Change Y by place size. And then we change X and Y by the same reasons, by the same numbers of per size, but nothing or 0 minus it. Okay. Let's test if this works, but we need to put the player custom block in our for loop. And this works. Wait, here we need to put minus 0.5. That is much better now. So right now you can see that our play sprite, oh, that's not easy to see, but we can see that our play sprite is perfectly in the center. Perfection. So what do we do now? I guess we draw our platforms. So create a new list code. Platform X. Oh, yes. And platform Y. In this part we only make so that the pen sprite draws platform. But we won't make the physics. Okay, so make a new custom block called create platform with input X and Y. And I hope I have as many time as I need. So we add X and Y to platform X and platform Y. Now we draw platforms. And run without screen fresh. We put this custom block here in the for loop. Make a new variable called platform hash. We'll also have many hashes here, I guess, in this game. We repeat the length of platform X. Change platform. Change platform hash by 1. Now we go to X. Wait. We also need the X2 and Y2 for our platforms. Like so. This is how we make our draw platforms custom block. For the video, I have not many time left. Just a minute and a half. This is how we create a platform. Just put a custom block and we put a number we want, like so. Starter point, end point. And we pen up after every and after anything we drew. And don't forget about deleting all other platforms when they start. Much better now. Do you see this? How cool is this? We have drawn our player and the platform. Nice. So in the next part, I'll show you how to make this a platformer and not just a drawing. Bye guys.